feel like for many years, it was, I don't really know who we are. But this tour is the first time that I knew who we are, Imagine Dragons.
But here we are.
Our goal was to be a self-sustained indie band that could make enough money to pay rent and have food. No idea that it would be. That's big. That's 1 in a billion.
We're all past our wildest dreams.
There's no words for a night like this. We will give you everything, because you have given us everything.
When we were playing for 5 people, Dan was still larger than life on stage. He's always been that guy.
Come on! You made me up! You made me up!
Still feels like we're the hungry band playing 5 nights a week.
Every day that we have is a gift. May we spend less time being divided. May we spend more time loving, more time forgiving.
I get to look at people's faces. I get to see them feel happy, cry, and sing this song at the top of their lungs.
These years pass by and we're growing older, and I think of you, all we've made it through.
I have lost too many people who think that their life doesn't matter. Your life always matters.
Imagine Dragons just really wants to make people feel safe and loved.
It's a bigger stage, but nothing's really changed.